Hi everyone, today's problem 167, 2 sum 2, input array is sorted. So let's get straight to the problem itself, just to skip the descriptions. So let's take a look at the first example, numbers. So this is the array and we will find out the indices of the two numbers which the sum equal to the target. Okay, so let's take a, normally this kind of problem we will use two pointer approaches. So let's walk through. So this is the array and we will use two pointers, left pointer and the right pointer. And we will add up the two pointers numbers, and if the sum equals to the target, we just directly return the answer, the indexes. But in this example, in this problem, the index will be one index, which means we need to add a 1 to the current index. And if the sum of the two numbers smaller than the target, we will move the left pointer to right. And if the sum bigger than the target, similarly, we will move the right pointer to the left. Okay, so let's take a look. So first, the left pointer point to the first element, and the right pointer point to the last element, and the sum is equal to 7. So which is bigger than the target. So need to move the right pointer to the left, and this time the sum is 2 plus 11, 13, bigger than 9. So again, we need to move the right pointer to the left. So this time is 2.7 equal to 9. So this is the answer, and we will return the index. So the index is L's index is 0 and need to plus 1. So 0 plus 1 equal to 1. And the 7th index is 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So this is the answer. Okay, so let's code up. So we need to initialize two variables, left and right, and the left initialized to 0 and the right initialized to the length of the array minus 1. And because these two indexes are different as the description, so we'll use this criteria. Left smaller than right. So they will never be equal. So equal to target. So if equal to target, then we return the answer directly. Else, else if the sum bigger than target, then we move the right pointer to the left. So right pointer minus 1. Else, which means the sum smaller than the target. So we will move the right pointer to the left. That's it. So let's run it. Okay. So the time complexity is big O of n. Because we just iterate through the array and the space complexity is constant. So let's code in Java. Cool. So let's take a look at JavaScript. Bad. So yeah. So this is Go. It's numbers. Yeah, that's today's problem. Thank you.